Hi, my name is Gareth, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use GPT data agents on prototypr.ai to help you document experiments and start building a knowledge base of learnings for your company. So let's imagine you've been tasked to improve sign-up conversion rate for your app. You've done some high-level analysis with your GA4 AI, and you've noticed that conversion rate is quite low on mobile. A quick review of the experience shows that there's ample opportunity to improve this page, from removing this featured image to reducing the number of fields in the sign-up form. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring in this Optimizer data agent into this conversation. So I'm going to click on that GA4 AI button. It brings up the data agents page. I'm going to click on Optimizer. Optimizer has now been added to the conversation. And I'm going to ask it to help us build an experiment plan to improve this user experience. So it should only take a couple of seconds to do this. And here we go. Perfect. AI, I put together a first draft of an experiment plan for your review. It's produced a nice little acquisition hypothesis here. I'm going to click on it, and here we go. Here's the actual experiment plan. So we have a title at top, so mobile sign-up optimization. We're going to be reducing the input fields. It's created our hypothesis. It's set it to false because we haven't proven anything. There's a section for our key learnings. It started to fill out some background information about our test, which we can edit. There's a space for us to upload some images about our new user experiences that we want to test. There's also a place for your data, so you can use any sort of supporting data like we had in the analysis thread that I just showed you, or you could also link to your actual results. And last but not least, there's a section below for next steps. So that's the experiment plan that the AI Optimizer data agent has produced. So this gets saved into your AI product workspace on prototypr.ai, and that's the demo. So thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to test this out, I would love for you to check it out. I'll drop a link to prototypr.ai in the description below. Thanks so much for watching,